Have you heard about GA4? Well, if you haven't, don't worry, because we're going to dive into exactly what that is and what it means for you and your digital marketing team. This one's going to get a little bit nerdy, but we love talking nerdy. So stick with us. GA4, or Google Analytics 4, is Google's latest and greatest web analytics platform. And it's going to be replacing the last version, UA, or Universal Analytics. GA4 provides insights into website and app performance, and also user behavior. For the home services industry, it can help you evaluate how well your website is doing in attracting leads. And isn't that what we're all here for? So what's new with GA4? Unlike UA, GA4 focuses on event-based data collection instead of session, which allows for more granular tracking and analysis. Not only that, GA4 incorporates machine learning and AI capabilities to provide advanced insights and predictive analysis. The metrics that UA provided are still mostly available in GA4, so don't worry. You will want to brush up on some of the definitions, however, as Google updated those in their documentation. But we'll go ahead and link that in the video description for you guys. So what else makes GA4 a big deal? For starters, GA4 provides a huge improvement when it comes to data privacy features. It complies with the stricter regulations and user consent requirements that have updated in recent years. Machine learning integration is a hot topic. And GA4 will now be able to provide automatic insights, anomaly detection, and predictive analytics. Now, we know this probably doesn't sound exciting to a lot of people, but for a digital marketing company like RYNO, this is a big deal. So what should you and your digital marketing partner or team know and do about GA4? Your digital marketing partner should be familiar with GA4 in order to ensure a smooth transition. UA will stop processing data on July 1st, 2023, so it's happening fast. They should review and update tracking implementations with the new event-based model. Goals previously set up in UA should be converted to events and/or conversion in GA4 in order to make sure that you're tracking the most important actions that you were before. Finally, it's essential to set up conversion tracking and implement custom events based on your specific business goals. For home services companies, that might include contact form submissions or appointment bookings. And something else that is really important to note is that you can actually watch these videos over here. And you know what else you can do that is extremely essential is to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon to be notified every time we upload an awesome piece of content like this. Go ahead, click, they're free. You like free things, right?